In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload images inside of Google AI Studio. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aistudio.google.com and then log into your account. Now from here it should be looking something like this. From here you'll need to go over to this little plus icon right beside text to speech, and from here you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here you'll be able to add three options. You can either upload it directly from your Google Drive, you can upload it directly from your library, or you can take a picture directly from your computer. Once from here, you'll just simply need to click on one of these, and then from here, you'll need to find the specific file that you want to upload. From here, you'll just simply need to click open, acknowledge, and then from here, you'll be able to see that the image or video has been uploaded successfully, and then you can describe an app and let Gemini do the rest using this specific image. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!